Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to open a Chime savings account. So let's start with the first step, which is to download Chime and start signing up. So download the Chime application from the App Store or Google Play Store, or you can also visit chime.com. So tap on the get started on the welcome screen, and from here you have to enter your email address and create a strong password. So Chime accounts are 100% free, so there is no monthly fees, no minimum balance required. Next step is enter your personal info. So Chime needs to verify your identity. This is required by US banking law. So enter your legal first and last name, date of birth, social security number or the SSN, home address, and phone number. Now you have to make sure that everything matches with your ID exactly. Make sure that there is no typos, since typos can delay approval. So you have to tap on continue. Next up is select Chime Savings Account. So on the account selection screen, you will see two options, which is Chime Checking and Chime Savings. So savings account earns 2% APY with no fees and no minimum balance. Now you have to make sure that both boxes are checked. So you need a Chime checking account to open savings. So tap on the open accounts. Next step is enable automatic savings, which is optional. So Chime offers two powerful autosave feature, which is save when I get paid, automatically move 10% of your every direct deposit paycheck into savings. And they also have the round ups, which rounds debit card purchases to the nearest dollar and saves the change. So toggle both on to grow your savings effortlessly, and then tap on activate savings. Lastly is your account is opened and you're all set. So your Chime checking savings accounts are now open, and you will see both numbers on your dashboard. So your free Chime Visa debit card will arrive in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. So set up direct deposit using your Chime routing or account numbers to start earning 2% APY immediately. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!